Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Idle Guide. This works on iOS and Android, unlimited resources, so let's get straight into the video. It's a very simple download. Just go to hexmods.com, and as you can see, there's the Idle Guide mod. If you can't find it, just search it up. Press the download button and wait for the download to begin. Now, before it downloads, there's one more step, which I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do. So let's just wait for this to load, and basically, guys, before we can get the Idle Guide mod, we have to do a verification, which is very simple. We just have to download 2 apps, and this installs the Idle Guide mod. So as you can see, we got 4 apps. Just pick 2 of them. I did Family Island, where you have to reach level 10. So each app is going to have its own specific instructions. So make sure you read those, like TikTok, run for 30 seconds. Then we got Dice Dreams, down and reach Kingdom level 6. And you might even see different apps if you're in another country or something, apparently. So yeah, just complete the verification and you will get your Idle Guide hack with unlimited resources. And it's super wild. So let's go to the App Store, and I'm gonna type in Idle Guide just to show you that it's really a ripoff. Alright, so here we go down to in-app purchases, and as you can see, it's super expensive. So if you guys are interested in paying for it, that's up to you, but I'm not really interested in paying for the in-app purchases, so I'm just going to use this modded version. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in Idle Guide hacks. This actually works, guys. It's super cool, so I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, guys, and it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. It's super crazy, and this is like updated, and everyone's like hunting for the Idle Guide hack, but I have it right here. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super cool, and it totally works. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, subscribe, and peace out, guys. This is super cool, bro.